3, 2, 1.
Which American president was known as Ike? The answer is D. George Washington. What is the relationship between mass and gravitational pull? The answer is D. Higher mass creates higher gravitational pull. What includes all living things within all their environments, including everywhere life exists, from the upper atmosphere to the top of the soil to ocean bottoms? The answer is D. Biosphere. Fred Gage and Peter Erickson discovered and announced that adult human brain produces new brain cells. In what year did they make their discovery? The answer is D. 1998. What can fill the room without opening its doors? The answer is D. Fog. The doctor says you need a CBC. What is he talking about? The answer is A. A blood test. A scale is used to measure what? The answer is B. Heaviness. How many seasons of The Surreal Life were aired during the show's original run? The answer is B. 6. What potion did Harry Potter, Ron, and Hermione make to take the form of someone else? The answer is B. Polyjuice potion. What material has already broken down? The answer is D. Sand. Which mountain in Japan is known as Fujisan? The answer is D. Fuji. In the 2000 movie The Patriot, who was the first of Benjamin Martin's kids to die? The answer is A. Thomas. What is responsible for the physical changes of puberty? The answer is A. Testosterone. What type of shoe is characterized by a pointed toe and high heel? The answer is D. Stiletto. In the movie Dog Day Afternoon, Sonny asks his partner what country he wants to go to. What does his partner say? The answer is D. Wyoming. 3 Alou brothers played for the Giants. What were their first names? The answer is D. Felipe, Matty, Jesus. Which team did the 2006 Chargers lose to in the playoffs? The answer is D. New England Patriots. Which is the capital of Canada? The answer is C. Ottawa. Which of these popular TV series didn't run for 6 seasons? The answer is D. Soap. Mr. Jenkins constructed a circuit consisting of a variable source, wires, and a resistor. In order to triple the amount of current, how should he change the voltage of the source? The answer is A. Make the voltage 3 times larger. Which of the former Cheers characters is in the movie Benny and June as Ben his friend Thomas? The answer is A. Dan Hedaya. Many houses are built on the sides of hills. Which of these actions would best prevent houses from sliding down hills after heavy rainfalls? The answer is C. Adding plants to the hill. What is the name of the theory that states a nation should specialize in producing and exporting goods it can produce at the lowest opportunity cost? The answer is C. Theory of free trade. What was the most impressive feature of the Stegosaurus appearance, which makes it the most easily identifiable dinosaur even for the non-expert observer? The answer is D. Kite-shaped plates. How many dimensions does Euclidean space have? The answer is C. 4. What is used in American football to catch the ball? The answer is A. Ball. Which organ in a frog has a function similar to the function of lungs in a bird? The answer is B. Skin. At some places in Florida, sand on the beaches is being reduced. New sand is brought from other areas and spread on the beaches. What process causes this reduction to the beach sand? The answer is B. Erosion. Which game has a protagonist named Master Chief? The answer is C. Halo. What's large, round, red, and in the sky at night? The answer is A. Planet. The highest point of a wave is called? The answer is B. Crest. Where is a portable way of creating light most useful? The answer is A. Pitch-black caverns. Which is not an actual dye? The answer is D. D18. A, T, G, and C pairs are associated with what substance that is important in genetics? The answer is D, DNA. What is the Catholic term describing a place of purification after bodily death, but before the soul enters heaven? The answer is A, purgatory. What speaks when it's painted but remains silent when it's not? The answer is C, poem. What does photosynthesis occur in? The answer is B, chloroplasts. What is dendrology the study of? The answer is C, trees. What is the primary goal of monetarism? The answer is B. Price stability. What type of energy from a warm color results in melting when it is transferred to the much colder ice? The answer is D. Thermal energy. Which economic system emphasizes government control? The answer is C. Communism. What multinational corporation was founded on April 1, 1976 in Cupertino, California? The answer is B. Apple Computer, Inc. What is the longest living land animal? The answer is A. Tortoise. How many children did Scarlett have in the novel Gone with the Wind? The answer is A. 3. Which of these persons is not a Bronxite? The answer is A. Carlos Santana. What forms when cells start to grow out of control? The answer is B. Tumor. Which instrument, also known as the king of instruments, is played by striking with a mallet? The answer is D. Xylophone. What bacterium is believed to be the smallest living organism that is capable to grow and reproduce independently? The answer is C. Mycoplasma genitalium. Which of these methods of energy resource acquisition has the least effect on the lithosphere? The answer is C. Harvesting wood by selective cutting. What color is the standard highlighter?